In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove comments from PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've received a PDF filled with sticky notes, highlights, or callouts and you just want a clean comment-free copy, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove them quickly and safely. We'll cover both removing a single comment and clearing multiple, or even all, comments at once, using built-in tools in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. First, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once the document loads, you can start with an individual comment. Move your cursor over the comment you want to remove in the document area. This could be a sticky note icon, a highlight with a pop-up, or any annotation. When you see it selected, right-click directly on that comment and choose Delete from the context menu. Acrobat may ask you to confirm, accept the prompt, and that specific annotation disappears. This action only removes the comment layer. It does not change your underlying text or images. If you delete the wrong one by mistake, you can immediately undo the action using your standard undo command. Now, if your goal is to remove multiple comments or even all comments, the fastest way is to work from the comment pane. Open the comment pane so you can see a list of every annotation in your file. You can access this pane by choosing the comment tool, which reveals a panel that displays all notes, highlights, and markups in a tidy sidebar. This view is helpful because it lets you confirm exactly what's in the document before you remove anything. Click once on any comment in the list to make sure the pane is active. Then, on Windows, press Ctrl-A, or on a Mac, press CMD-Fate to select all the comments in that list at once. With everything selected, look to the top of the comment pane for the delete icon. Click it, and Acrobat will remove all selected comments in one go. This is especially useful for long documents where deleting comments one by one would take far too long. After clearing comments, take a moment to scroll through your PDF and verify the result. Your content should remain intact, and the page layout should look the same just without the extra markup. If the delete icon appears disabled, make sure a comment is selected in the list first, or click inside the pane and try the selection again. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.